This is the big secret of my brother's business. Everyone goes to my brother's business to order this chicken recipe that is crispier and tastier than KFC. For this recipe we are going to use 5 to 6 chicken legs. Now with a knife we are going to cut the leaves in this way. We will do this so that the marinade takes on more flavor. In a large container we add a liter of water, 1½ tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half onion in sticks, 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now you are going to incorporate all the ingredients very well until you have a homogeneous mixture. I would be fascinated to know what country or city you see us from so I can send you a very special greeting in the next recipe. We place the chicken legs and let them rest for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. In another container we add a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. Now you are going to incorporate all the ingredients until you have a homogeneous mixture. For me it is an honor to thank Alvaro Martinez from Cuba and Carla Fernandez from Mexico. A big hug and a very special greeting to everyone. Once ready you are going to divide it into 2 parts. You are going to place one part of the flour in a bowl and the other you are going to reserve for a moment. Now you are going to place 2 eggs and a cup of water. We mix all the ingredients very well until we have a homogeneous mixture. Your opinion is very important to me, that's why I invite you to give me your point of view on what you thought of today's recipe. After the chicken has rested, we are going to dry it with a very clean kitchen cloth. Then you are going to place the chicken legs. You are going to remove the excess water in this way that I am doing it, and thus you will do the same procedure with all the remaining chicken legs. Once ready, you are going to place all the chicken legs in a container. Now you are going to place the flour mixture that you had reserved and you are going to soak all the chicken legs very well. This is the way I am doing it. If this is the first time you see one of my recipes, I invite you to give me your opinion on what you thought of today's recipe, rating it from 1 to 10. Now you are going to add a cup of breadcrumbs to the other half of flour. Now we add the chicken legs and they will soak very well on all sides. We repeat the same procedure. Once ready, take it and place it in a pot with hot oil at a medium temperature and let it brown for approximately 12 to 16 minutes. Once the cooking time has passed, you are going to remove it from the stove. This delicious chicken recipe is better than KFC and you can accompany it with a delicious salad. See you in a next recipe, friends.